about the chemical elements and where they are from. Later, actually, it's more of like a story, so it's not that theoretical. You can just relax. So firstly, I think you've seen many presentations today of lots of knowledge, and we know that something about chemistry. So we can see that here, that is trees, the sea, and this cloud. And some of you may know that the cloud is made of tiny water drops. And some of you may know that water is made of even smaller particles. And this time we are talking about the particles that build up this small particle that makes water. Alright, so this is a new term for you, and which is called atom. Right? Okay, so one of the jobs of chemistry is to study atoms and how they react with each other. So there's another concept which we call elements. We can think about a group of same atoms. Okay. And so element, what is element? Element is a big group of atoms of the same type. Right? So just imagine how about different types of atoms, what they will look like. And they will look like, oh right, look, there will be very different crystal balls of various size and maybe weight. Okay, then let's guess, one guess. How many elements are there on Earth? Just give me a number. Just guess. How many? How many? 100. And anyone else? 200. Oh, more and more elements. Anyone else? Any other guess? 300. Oh, 400. Okay. Okay, now let's have a look. How many elements are there on Earth? The answer is 94. Okay, who guessed 100? Actually, it's pretty close. Okay, good. It's pretty close. But now, actually, there are more than 110 elements. More than 94. Why is that? Because of the scientists. They make up new elements in laboratories. So this number, 110, actually it is still increasing. Okay, so a couple of years ago, I remember the number was like 112, and now it seems it's already 118. Right. And so now we have more than 100 elements. So many. Then how do we remember all those elements? How do you remember? By names? You remember all the names? By color, okay. And alright, okay. One of the way is the chemistry scientists, they are quite smart. So what they are actually doing is they compare the weight of each type of atom, and they arrange all the atoms by what? By weight. So the heavier one type of atom is, they make a cube, right? presentation, which is, okay, where are all these elements from? Okay, I have to say that what I'm going to say is just one of the theories. Okay, it is not the absolute truth of universe, because that is the spirit of science. You need to keep your mind of you keep an open mind that how to say something considered to be correct now maybe proved to be wrong in a couple of years or in future. So to study science, a good way to do it is always ask questions and always you can know more. So where are these elements from? The theory is billions of years ago. So here's the story. Okay, billions of years ago, okay, at the time this universe just started, there were only one kind of element, the lightest one. Okay? And gradually, remember that elements, when we talk about elements, it is a group of atoms. So gradually, that atoms, so they get together and become stars. Alright. And some of you may know that actually the star, maybe it is quite small and cold you see from Earth, but actually they are giant fireballs. Right? Actually the sun is a star as well. Okay? Right. So this giant fireball, it has quite high temperature inside and quite high pressure inside. Okay. So what will happen if you press two stuff together? Okay, if you press hard enough, the stuff will become the one. So, well, just ignore all those words. It doesn't matter. So actually, what happens inside the big star? Okay, in the very center of the star. Okay, the star presses the atoms so hard that the lightest atom, actually it is already been pressed and connected with the other one and become a heavier atom. Okay? So, from the surface to the center of the star, the pressure is higher and higher, and finally in the center of the fireball we can have very heavy atoms. Okay, now we have many different kinds of atoms. But don't know this word, it doesn't matter. You will know sooner or later in future. So, however, do you think now we can use all these elements? No, because they are all in the center of a hot fireball, right? So, how those elements become Earth and human being, or even like the chairs or the food you eat for tea? Okay, so like people, stars, they have their age as well. So when a star consumes its age, what will happen? Anyone know? Okay, it will be supernova. So at that time, the star blows up, it explodes. And during this progress, it blows all the elements. Remember, everything in the center now are blown out to the space. And after another 4 or 5 billions of years, all those stuff can form the solar system. And we are here. Right. So that is actually what it means in the title of this presentation. Actually, we are all children of an ancient supernova or ancient very big star. Okay? We are all children of stars. That is so fantastic. And I think that's kind of most of the stuff for our keys today. But I also noticed there are many parents here as well. So the next thing actually is for you. We already know that everything on Earth, or even everything in the solar system, is from ancient supernova, and comes from that from a giant star. And you can see that maybe it's just coincidence. There is a Chinese philosopher who lived about 25 centuries ago. What did he say? He says, the sky and the earth born together with me, and everything has the same source. Right? Okay, but in ancient times, people just they don't know the science as we do, so I don't know where he got this idea from. The effect of chemistry seems he is true. Okay, thank you very much. Any questions? Any question? Any question? No? Okay, if there's no question for me, I've got some questions for you. I've got 3 questions and 3 medals. Okay, so who can answer the question first and correctly will get one. Right, let's see if anyone remember. First question, how many elements are there on Earth? Yeah? You? Right? Yes, you. 94, very good. Okay. Congratulations. Okay, question 2. Where are all those elements from? Yeah? From the deer, okay. Good thinking. And anyone else? Huh? Oh, from sun. Yeah, kind of. From big star like sun. Alright. Yes, here's a medal. Okay, the last question. Okay, when a star consumes its age, what will happen? Anyone remember? Yeah? Well, explode.